Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Zarin, and right now I'm doing a review on affiliate funnel, and don't buy it if you don't trust it. Basically, telling you the truth, and it's going to be right here. But back with you, and we'll jump right into it. All right, laters.
Never gonna get it.
Alright, we're in my computer now. Right now, I'm just going to explain to you. This is a affiliate funnel. It helps you build a funnel. If you're a newbie in the game, this is the steps where most affiliates have to go through at the beginning to try to learn how to do it. If you don't know how to do it, this software will help you out starting off at the beginning. It came out in February the 3rd, just recently came out. Today's the 6th, so I'm basically 3 days behind promoting it and telling you this review of it. Looking at it and coming across it was reading it and watching other reviews about it. A lot of people saying it's a good thing, and I might just go and purchase it later today, and I have a second video. But it's I watched one guy, he was playing with it and studying and saying how it will help you build an ebook with the product, and as the product helps you out, it'll help you out to have a product. Because like me, I literally had to sit down and I type my own ebooks. You have to spend money to make money, basically saying if you have to spend money on your autoresponder, your lead pages, and probably based on your traffic. It all depends on how it all comes down to. If you purchase this, the way I'm looking at it, the way it builds up, you're eliminating your lead pages. You can convert into your PayPal into it, and it shows the training of it. One guy had that, and I was like, man, that's pretty good. I wish they had it done back in my days, like when I first started a long time ago. That's what made me quit the first time. But then I came back into it. Now I'm doing so well, I'm gonna say. But I'm gonna say one thing that I believe in is keep on pushing and don't give up with it. But back what I'm saying, the affiliated funnels, the way this thing explains it, has a video to kind of show you the training of it on here, and it's give you the beginning of the intro inside of it. But get to the bottom of this, man. Let me show you the pricing of it. You have to read through all this, but right here, this is a video of the steps of how he created it. I sat down and I watched it and how it generates it. You can sit down and watch it. If you click on the link and through my link, and you'll see the video and everything how it is. And I'm initially to help out people, to give them some insight or something based on giving you something, the things I learned through and what things I use. The tools I use, certain tools, once you learn this for a beginner, it'll knock some of the hard labor costs, because it has a introvert part of it that you can link up to for your autoresponder. And based on from back in the days how most of us had to sit there copywriting, and that's all the contribute you have to do. You're going to do a lot more stuff if you're doing it from the beginning. But this software right here, it shows the video of how it works out, and it has the way the niches is, have different types of niches. That's what's so good about it, because you can set on one niche, and then now you can have multiple niches to work with, and all you gotta do is based on bringing traffic to it. One guy said it don't have a traffic lead, but it'll teach you how to gain traffic. But it have these courses inside, the training courses, the webinars, and everything. You can link up your PayPal to it for people to purchase. But based on how to do it, that's what's so good about it. Because when I first started, I made my own books, and I had to type my own self and literally write my own books to promote myself, and just learning from step by steps and the strategies you have to do the game what you're trying to gain. But it kind of eliminates it, from the light into the pro. It might give more. Let's keep on scrolling down to it. The access affiliated funnel cloud based on the cloud. I'm assuming all the stuff they get, they are generated from the internet of it, and then they'll break it down. They have one guy says they have this breakdown of could change it or whatever how it is. It swipes the articles and everything and reword it and word it, so you can work with it. So you're not copying nobody's stuff, You're basically building your own funnels and building your own leads. And you can go back and change it up and everything. But when I purchase it, I'm gonna think it's gonna work out because I came across another product they have too. You know, I think it's a decent product on it. Oh, let's go back up real quick. I didn't read everything. Saying it's all newbie friendly, one-click product creativity. It's based on, I might say it might be a one-click here and there to set certain things up for you, all the tech part of it. But once you got to build traffic, I can show you steps by that by doing videos and for you or something like that. How I do my traffic. I have a couple videos in my channel, and it shows you traffic source I use. Sometimes you gotta pay, sometimes you can just free. If you know how organically how you can talk, or you good to go with spending money. That's honest truth. K.O.P. Keep on pushing, don't give up. But most of these things is telling you how using these funnels can gain instant online organizations, basically creating your own product or select one from the library they have. It's based on picking your niche, if what you want or what you're gonna run with. It shows a good video and it shows you how to do it. And then once you start branding on it, it's like you want to get to the bigger and better. I rather spend a little more than no half of my business is already done. Now I gotta just generate the traffic to come to my pages. Then I have to spend too much on telling you how to spend on autoresponder, lead pages. The biggest ones right now is the good quality ones, but you have to work yourself to it because everybody is promoting it, and that's the honest truth. I'm even including promoting it. But it's when you get bigger into it. And I sit back. I usually don't do videos like reviews, but I just get more motivation that I know this is 2019. Things can change for different people and everybody. If you still seeing yourself in a rut and you can't get out of it, it's like, what choice did you have? You can keep going down or you can go up. You have to deal with people every day with the negativity, but once you feel like you are on a little better positive mindset, that's the way I speak things, the honest truth. Like I said, I really don't do reviews. Um, but I'm more of the motivation one, so you might catch my book out and it explains out, one's about the time. Other one's coming out. I'm gonna be coming out with a book, the pain of success becomes your success. So many of them, just those main two I've been pushing out so far, and honestly, the truth, and that's I'm more motivation. I really a person, individual, to gain more, to have a better outcome of everything. Think open-minded with positive things and seeing things as a different way. Don't always generate yourself into the negative people and think about the positive things that comes out. You woke up this morning, you got thinking that's positive. They say you woke on the wrong side of the bed. Do you believe that? You might just probably say, nah, not really. But it's the honest truth. It's how people would look at it if you can see, enjoy life. We here every day. We live 365 days out of the year, and we constantly go through the same outcome. When you're going to decide to change your own path and change your own destiny, your own dreams, to have those better dreams. For me, I remember man, being a kid growing up, all the stuff what I learned, nobody didn't tell me. I had to teach myself. Pick up a book, I read a couple books, Rich Dad Poor Dad, Tony Robinson, and the wealth, something about his wealth crap, man. I don't know. I have to look for it right now. If bring it up. There's different type of ones that trigger off people's minds to start generating. Basically, let's get back into the video. I apologize. This is a review, but this is the way I speak. Like I said, back with this, it's $29.95. You have the $25.95, but look at the original retail prices of them, man. It's the $25.95. $25.95 is the original retail price is $97.95. That's pretty not bad, If you click buy now, it's that's pretty good. And look, you got this one. This retail price is $197.95. Now that today's special is $95, $29.95. I mean, and look, exclusives for the bonus for the pro members only. Create unlimited digital products. You can create digital products all day and every day. That's a good thing too, The pro special is $297, so that brings it about, I don't know. If you're just gonna say the retail only, it brings this down. If this chopped down to this, that means this is this. That's on the truth. Hey, the way I'm looking at it is exclusive bonuses. If you want to eliminate yourself to be a better person, you have to spend. If you take the time, started off from the small part, and graduated yourself to this, that's no problem. I'm already know I'm going for the big boys, so I'm gonna grow a little bigger. Some of my stuff, putting all my stuff together, kind of be eliminated. Now I can have more focus on generating traffic. Generate traffic like my Facebook ads, Google ads, you name it. And my Bing ads, you just name it. Everything I'm telling you now is something I have to done, and I done and I did it. And slowly comes in. It's based on your copywriting. That's what honest truth. If you know how to talk to people, that's going to make it better. But that's what I see about this. I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. That's what I hope you do in the video. Thumbs up if you like it. But oh yeah, and I'm gonna show a clip. I'm gonna have a clip what I got from basically, honestly, what I found on YouTube. Just gonna merge into my video. I'm gonna just tell you straight up. It's the honest truth. It's but nah, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna just honest straight tell you. Try it out and see if you get more success out of it. You eliminate a bigger part of your business if you're growing your own business. That's what honest truth. Like I said, you're gonna have to buy lead pages. You have to buy autoresponders, and then you build it in traffic. The only thing that I got from the reviews from different other people, and what I'm reading, I'm jumping into it. I'm gonna get it, and say it eliminate the process that you have to build your own product. And like I said, having no product, you're wondering how you want to generate some income. So based on I did cover my own books, all I gotta do is just keep promoting it. And yeah, if you see it out there, it's from me. My name's on the bottom. I'm Aaron Johnson, better known as Aaron K.O.P. Keep on pushing and don't give up. And I see y'all on the other side. I ain't never gonna get enough.